I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a paid Kayo Ultimate plan and signing in. This unlocks multi-stream features. Once signed in, open the Kayo app on your chosen device and accept any permission prompts. Make sure your network meets 5+ Mbps for reliable HD and switch to Ethernet if possible for stability. If you have multiple devices, pick your primary player now so you avoid simultaneous stream limits. These first steps get you into the app quickly and prevent common access hurdles. Once inside, learn the map. Home shows highlights, live lists ongoing events, schedule reveals upcoming games. You should star teams and sports to populate your My Favorites row. This speeds up navigation and surfaces relevant alerts. Next, open settings to select stream quality and enable captions if needed. Higher quality uses more bandwidth. If you want big screen viewing, link Chromecast or AirPlay Now and test casting with a 10-second clip. These actions make browsing intuitive and prevent missing key moments. You're ready to watch. Add matches to watch list, then press play or join live to jump in. Use catch up to view past action and clips to save highlights. These features ensure you never miss pivotal plays. When finishing, sign out on shared devices to protect your account. If playback stalls, try restarting the app, lowering stream quality, or rebooting your router. Those quick fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, reach out to Kayo support with device and error details so they can diagnose further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.